Hello, this is my HVAC module for air scrubber by Ares, and the model number is A1013Q. What happened is it was installed 2 years ago around start of COVID, and this is a UV light based device which cleans the air. Basically it makes those airborne particles heavier, so they fall and they get trapped through the filter. So I get it installed, but what happened is a couple of days ago I found out, after having a duct cleaning service, I found out the UV light bulb was dead. So I found out that this bulb can be replaceable, but for this model, this is the UV light bulb. This is the UV light bulb, and this is its housing, and it goes inside like this and it stays inside. So yesterday I disassembled it to see if I can understand how it is constructed, and I can order this bulb separately. Otherwise, if you order the whole thing, is like 150 bucks. But if I can simply order this bulb from Amazon, which I did. So this is the rubber part which holds this bulb inside this housing, not to wobble or go out of alignment. So what I did, I ordered another bulb, similar bulb from Amazon, and I want to see if that fits. Also, if it fits, then how I can install in this housing. So what I did is, this is kind of non-removable out of this housing. I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So instead of buying $150 this assembly, you can actually just buy the bulb for 25 bucks or 30 bucks and install inside. This piece goes on the back side of this housing, and the bulb is inside, so you cannot just remove it. There is a rubber seal which holds it inside, and if you wiggle it will break. So the best way is, I've seen other YouTube videos where they actually twisted these tabs on this metal and remove this honeycomb filter or the screen to get to reach to the bulb. However, that is not needed, and it's aluminum. So if you do a couple of times, it's going to break from this side. So this is not like heavy metal. So what I'm going to show you is, there are two rivets on the sides of this module. If you drill them out, which I did actually, let me show you how I did. So this is the drill machine I used, and I already removed the rivets, so that's why you are able to see this these two holes on left and right. So I use this little same size drill bit and just drill it out gently, so the outside part will fall out and inside part will fall inside. So then you can simply remove this housing and put a new bulb and install it. So this is the bulb I ordered, and I'm gonna see, first thing I want to make sure is the same length. I believe it should be 8 inches long. Ooh, yeah, I'm lucky. So it's exactly same length. That was my concern when I was ordering it. The bulb has this is made in Hungary, and it has some part number and everything. But I went based on my look and feel on Amazon website, so I ordered it. Looks like they are same. These are two wires connecting from bottom to top, and like here also on the old one. So this is the new one, this is the old one. It has black spots inside and looks like it's completely blown away. There's no crack, but it looks like the filament inside has gone. So what I'm going to do is I want to install this in front of you. So before I do this, I want to show you how I'm going to put back this rivet once I'll install it. So what I did is I bought these round head screws with the nut to get it installed. So instead of rivet, I'm going to use these, and that's all. So this is a module, air scrubber. You can see that's my serial number, and that's the back side, and this whole housing will be vertically installed like this with these two long screws which will hold it together. So it's very easy. I believe it's going to be easy and going to work. I'm not going to show you in this video because I need to do the work, and but everything looks like same size, everything. So I'm going to install it and make it work. That's all. Thank you.